To stabilize your video in Adobe Premiere Pro, there's a really cool effect that's actually native to the software that you can use. So right here I've got a clip of some pretty shaky footage of my Yeti Blue X microphone. Links in the description if you're interested. Really shaky, but there is an effect that we can use. So if we go up to Window here at the top and select it and scroll down to the Effects window, we select that. And then in the search bar, you're just going to go ahead and type warp and then select the warp stabilizer effect and drag it onto the clip that you want to stabilize. It's going to analyze in the background for a moment of what it can stabilize. And in the meantime, we're going to do the exact same thing, going up to Window, and we're going to open Effects Controls. So in here, you click on whatever footage you want to change, and it'll open up the settings for it. Now, if we take a look at this, you can see that it's kind of stabilized it, but it looks really wonky. I mean, true to the name of the effect, it has warped the footage quite a bit. So to tone this back, you can actually go into the Effects Control panel, and underneath Warp Stabilizer, you can change its smoothness. So it automatically starts at 50, but usually I only use anywhere between 3 to around 10%. For this, it's pretty darn shaky, so I'm going to keep it around 8. And then it's going to go ahead and stabilize again. Now, something that you'll notice is that it's much better than it was at 50%, but you can see the microphone is still kind of weird. You can see it's warping at some points where we really don't want it to, like right here. So it's not a miracle worker, but it can work for some less shaky footage. So I've got another clip of my Yeti mic right here that's much less shaky. You can see at the beginning it's got a little bit of shakiness, but it's not so bad. And let's do the same thing, open up our effects panel, and we're just going to go ahead and put that warp stabilizer on this one. So this serves as a good comparison between kind of giving you an idea of the threshold of how shaky this effect can handle. Because again, there's not a ton you can do for really shaky footage, but if it's just a little shaky, this thing can work wonders. So I'll go ahead and open the effects control panel again, select that clip, and then now, when we play it, again, you're going to notice a bit of warp distortion here towards the second half where it gets more shaky. But at the beginning, you can see that it is completely stabilized. So where it was once not stabilized, now it is. Just to give you a comparison, I'll drag that clip back into my timeline. And you can see some of that shakiness that's there. But then when we watch this one over here, it's completely smooth. So this is a great effect if you're looking to stabilize some mildly shaky clips and really get it smooth for that project that you're working on. If this video provided value to you, please subscribe to the channel for more Premiere tips and leave a like so that others who need this tutorial can find it.